Okay, scrambled eggs. Avoid making scrambled eggs with butter because that will add about 90 calories per tablespoon for a generous portion. So my scrambled eggs are healthy-ish. No butter, just milk. So in a bowl, crack in 3 eggs. Now I like my eggs with salt and pepper, so a good pinch of cracked black pepper and a pinch of salt. A nice little dash of milk and stir it in. Now just whisk it up until you've got it all incorporated together. So simple, so easy. That's it, guys. And then in the microwave. So I'm using a 1000-watt microwave. Okay, so in the microwave, and press your timer for 2 minutes, or you could do it 30 seconds a time or a minute a time, up to you. I press mine for 2 minutes, but after a minute I will be taking out the bowl of scrambled eggs and give it a stir. As you can see, it's just started to form up around the sides, but it's very wet in the middle. So I'll just stir it through, put the cooked egg back in, and then put the egg mixture back in the microwave and microwave for another minute. Okay, take it out. As you can see, it's formed up very nicely, but it's still a bit wet in the middle, so it's going to want a little bit more cooking. So just stir it all back in. This helps forming up your scrambled eggs. And then back in the microwave. Now you need to be doing this every 30 seconds or check it, whatever, up to you. I know after 2.5 minutes these scrambled eggs are ready. So take the scrambled egg out of the microwave, whisk it up, and it's ready to serve. Absolutely perfect, soft, moist scrambled eggs. Now obviously, if you like them a bit runnier, do not microwave for as long. If you want a different seasoning in, add the seasoning of your choice. There we are, guys. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe so you don't miss anything, and we'll see you next time.